This is the new redesigned Clifford remote control. To arm the alarm, you're going to hit lock. Locks your doors, disarm it, unlocks your doors. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and arm the alarm. Somebody walks up and they try to bust out the lock nut locks. Alarm fires on. I'm going to go ahead and disarm the alarm. Okay, normally you should get 1 beep for arm and 2 for off. 1 beep is on, 2 beeps is off, 4 beep means the alarm went off while you were away. See? And the minute you start the car, it will clear the memory back to 2 chirps. Okay? This right here is an antenna that gives you the range on the remote control. It has the blue LED light and it's going to have the center button. On the event that the remote controls break, you can open the door with the key in ignition. You turn the key in ignition, you can tap that button and that will override the system. And that gives you the ability to turn off the alarm in the event that the remote controls go bad. So arm, disarm, okay? And that's pretty much it. It comes with 2 fobs. It's got a lifetime warranty. This is the Clifford 3105 LX. It's a pretty good alarm. The remote controls are real light. I guess to change the battery, you just lift up on this tab here and you can replace the batteries on the remote control. Okay, actually you separate right there with a knife, you separate the housing, and the remote controls are the round ones. I mean the batteries are the round ones, the sun pass batteries. Okay, and you just press it down and close the remote control up again. Battery should last about 2 years. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. Alarm fires off. Disarm it. This is the Clifford 3105 LX, installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialist on this Toyota Corolla that they went ahead and installed the rims. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.